midnight engines murmur in a cold metallic tone. Orders cross the darkness from a signal to a drone. No hand upon the trigger, no heart behind the stone. Just rows of restless numbers saying someone must be gone. High above the rooftops, something circles all alone. No marching boots below it, just a distant iron moan. A village wrapped in silence, like a field of dust and bone. And far away, a glowing screen reduces life to zone. Death has no face in the automated race. No mercy in the system, no sorrow, no embrace. No eyes to meet the dying, no soul to leave a trace. When war is run by shadows, death has no face. Satellites are scanning every doorway, road, and light. Patterns turn to targets in the blackened scope of night. Distance breeds illusion that the horror stays out of sight. But fire still finds children in the silence after flight. Once a human carried all the burden of despair. Now software draws the boundary between the foul and fair. No trembling moral question, no conscience awaiting there. Just calculations moving faster than a whispered prayer. Who holds the blame when no one seems to see? Who speaks for those erased anonymously? If war becomes a cold efficiency,